Hello there folks, welcome back to Go Sniff Garage. Today we are taking a look at the Honda Odyssey RA6 Garson Geraid version by Aoshima in 124. So, really love this style of cars. I love my Japanese vans. I think they're really cool. I drive a Honda SMX myself, and it's sort of smaller version of the Odyssey. And I really like the big ridiculous body kits that you get on them, this sort of VIP style. So I was really saw this kit up for sale, hadn't seen it for a while, and I thought I'd pick it up. So yeah, lovely photograph of the car on the box. I know these aren't to everybody's tastes, but I really think they're really cool. So yeah, we look at the box. Let's say nice photograph on the front there. Couple of photographs on the side of the finished model, and a little parts list there. It comes with obviously the body kit, wheels. It says super sound exhaust system. It's a Bersaglio spoke 2 wheels and tyres, and your Geraid body kit, steps, side door panel, front bumper, etc. On the back here, just another photograph, and then the other side of the box we've got a list of the colours that are needed to build the kit. These are all Mr. Colour colours by Mr. Hobby. They're really great paints. I use them quite a lot. I'd really recommend trying them if you haven't before. I really like the lacquer paints. Sort of actually prefer them to Tamiya, but that's just my personal preference. But if you haven't tried them, I'd really recommend giving the Mr. Colour stuff a go. Give me a wee minute, I will open up the box and the bags and we'll have a wee look at the sprues. Right, so I've got the stuff out the box, out the bags, and we'll just start having a quick flick through the instruction manual. It's not an overly complicated kit. It does come with an opening tailgate, opening boot, so I think that's a really nice touch. I like that with the vans. The Aoshima Hiace has an opening tailgate, and it's really nice to display it with the tailgate open. You can put stuff inside, which looks pretty cool. I really showed them on the back of the box, but there's a list of the colours that you're needing. But yeah, not an overly complicated kit. Next up, just have a quick look at the comes with the window masks for doing your window trims. And got your decals there, big Garson Geraid windscreen decal as well there. Garson are kind of well known for doing these like VIP style vans, so like your Honda Odyssey, Stepwagon SMX, your Toyota Alphard, your Nissan Elgrand, those type of sort of VIP Japanese vans. They usually come with these huge bumpers and stuff like that. Like I said before, they can look a bit, some people think they look a bit cheesy, a bit tacky, but I think they're really cool. So anyway, got interior tub and door cards here. So I think this car is a 7-seater, so there's 3 rows of seats in this car. So separately moulded door cards and your interior tub. Also got your steering column, steering wheel, gear lever and rear view mirror. It's that famous Honda steering wheel that they used in absolutely everything. Next up, this is the Geraid body kit. Geraid, Garson Geraid. So you've got your side skirts there that come halfway up the doors, massive rear spoiler for this type of car, and you've got your dual exhausts, your front grille, number plate, and you've got your bad boy headlight lenses to make it look extra angry, angry eyes. Next we'll have a look at the wheels. So we've got these super deep massive wheels for this kit. They come in the 2 separate parts, which is handy. I think the whole chrome wheel is maybe a bit overkill, and the chrome in these kits tend to be like super chintzy looking, so I'm not a great fan, but it is good that these come separately because you can paint the main body of the wheel a separate colour and then just keep these chrome, and it actually gives quite a nice effect when it's done like that. So yeah, I always like it when you get these big deep dish wheels in two separate parts, although I have noticed that these wheels are different from the wheels that are on the box, but it's no big deal, they're kind of similar. Next chrome part, we have got your headlights and your grille as well. So you've got the option, there's two different grills. You've got this chrome grille and you've got the white grille that was on the body kit sprue. So you've got the option to do either or. Also get your wing mirrors there, and I'm not sure what these small round ones are, but I'm sure we'll find out. And then next up we've got the exhaust tips for the dual, I guess it's quad exhausts, and also got a little bonnet mascot there as well. And here we have got our seats. So like I said, there's 3 rows of seats in this kit, so you've got your 2 driver and passenger seats and then your middle row seats, and you've got the sort of rear bench seat that goes right in the back. Also got the massive dashboard, and you've got the rear door insert, a little separate centre console with 2 cup holders. It's actually quite nice, that little touch. Cup holders are really well defined, so you wanted to make a couple of wee cups, you can. We've got some armrests as well, because I think these are kind of captain chair style, with another centre console. Next part of the body kit, so you've got the massive front and rear bumper. You could have a picnic on that front bumper, it's so deep. Really nicely moulded, looks like a really good kit so far. Also got your boot there, or rear door. Couple of struts to hold the door up if you're having it open, and your little mechanism there to open the door. Some window wipers front and rear, and your side mirrors. This sprue here has most of the chassis parts, so not an overly complicated kit, this one. A lot of interior work in it, but the chassis is pretty simple. So you get your front and rear subframes, wheel hubs and suspension. You've got your brakes there too, and this is sort of various parts. I'm guessing these are for lowering and cambering the wheels. Yeah, so these all slot in and you can stack them up to give what different ride heights and camber. Steering rack there, yep, just various chassis parts for lowering and sort of changing it. Next up we've got some clear parts. So this kit actually gives you the option for your side and rear glass. You can have it clear or it comes smoked, which is actually quite handy because I always have trouble trying to tint windows. I never seem to get on with the Tamiya smoke that I've used in the past. It never seems to turn out properly. So that's quite a nice touch there. Got the wee option there to use the smoked bits. We've got the next clear sprue. So this is your main front glass and your front side door mirror windows. You've also got your rear lights, 2 options for your rear lights, and you've got your front lights up the top here as well. Sort of side indicators and stuff. Here we've got the chassis. So like I said, really simple kit, or relatively simple kit, and everything's moulded in here. So the exhaust is pretty much all moulded in. Got your fuel tank moulded in there too. You've got your bottom of the engine sort of oil pan and your gearbox all moulded in. Makes it super tricky to paint. There's quite a lot of recessed parts and stuff in here, so if you're doing this all sort of properly detailed, you're going to be masking and painting for forever. Try to keep it nice and tidy. So a little bit disappointed it's so moulded in, but I kind of was expecting that for this type of kit. I wasn't expecting it to be mega detailed under there. It is actually reasonably detailed, just a shame it's all moulded in. And we have a wee bag with all your poly caps and your low profile massive tyres for those huge deep dish wheels. Also comes with a little sheet of the sort of bare metal foil stuff that Aoshima do. It's actually quite good, nice for your the back of your lights and stuff like that. I've not tried it for anything else actually, but yeah, back of the lights gives it a really good effect, that sort of mirrored chrome effect. And last but not least, we have the body shell. So this kit does come sort of in the standard Honda Odyssey form without the body kit and stuff. So they obviously mould it because there is a few different versions without the bumpers front and rear, so that they can sell the kits with the body kit you can add on. So yeah, really nice body shell. The good thing is when they have these moulded like this with the bumpers separate, you tend to find you don't have that much in the way of mould lines, which is the case here. There's none that are super obvious at the moment. Yep, there's not even in the usual places. They've got them hidden really well, and it's really clean. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not sure when this kit was first tooled, but yeah, it's actually really clean. No mould lines to really speak of, but yeah, quite impressed with that. So there you have it, that's the Aoshima Honda Odyssey RA6 Garson Geraid version. Really excellent kit by the looks of it. Just a shame about the moulded in parts, but you kind of expect that with these type of kits. You're not expecting it to be like super detailed, but it will look really nice on the shelf, and it would probably be quite good for a beginner. There's not too many parts to this. As always guys, thanks for watching. Always appreciate likes, comments, subscriptions. Follow me on Instagram at Garage, and I will see you in a video in the very near future. Cheers, bye.